Today, we've brought a solution to a problem that is faced by around 90% of people, and that is dark circles. Before we get to the solution, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated about our newest uploads. Getting back to the remedy, we are going to make a mask. For that, you need half a teaspoon of turmeric, that is about a pinch, 2.5 ml of vitamin E oil, and 5 ml of 99% aloe vera gel. You can also use fresh aloe vera gel if you wish. Now, mix all the ingredients in an empty glass or plastic container and apply this mixture around your dark circles with the help of a brush or your fingers. Leave this mask on for about 10 minutes and then you can either wipe it off with a cotton pad or you can simply wash it off. It's all up to you, whatever you find convenient. We hope that this video was helpful, and remember, we should choose natural remedies over chemical solutions. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one.